I am HVAC repair guy, and I have spent over 17 years working in the field as an HVAC technician, installer, and contractor. Before that, I served as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today, we are looking at two top-tier heat pump systems, the GE NS21H series and the Heil Ion 23H5H3V. If you are trying to figure out which of these units belongs outside your home, let us break down how they compare on the job site. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, the GE NS21H comes with louvered coil panels and an internal compressor blanket. The Heil Ion 23H5H3V also features a compressor blanket but uses an open panel design without louvered coil panels. Those louvered panels on the GE give extra shielding against lawnmower debris, hail, and stray rocks. Open wire grills on the Heil make cleaning cottonwood or dirt from the coil easier, but leave the coil open to damage from hail and yard debris thrown by a lawnmower. When it comes to heating performance, both units deliver impressive ratings with an HSPF of 10.5. HSPF measures total heat output over the heating season divided by total electrical energy consumed. An HSPF of 10.5 sits near the top of the market, meaning strong winter heating efficiency and dependable cold climate operation. Because these are heat pumps rather than standalone heaters, that high efficiency also covers summertime cooling. Looking at compressor and fan technology, both units feature variable speed compressors and variable speed condenser fans. Variable speed compressors adjust output smoothly in small increments to match exact heating or cooling demand. This delivers consistent indoor temperatures, strong humidity control in summer, and reduced mechanical stress during startup. Regarding noise levels, the spec file did not include a decibel rating, so I checked manufacturer documentation. The Heil Ion 23H5H3V has a published sound level as low as 55 decibels. About as quiet as a quiet library. The GE NS21H is manufactured in China under the GE Appliances brand. The Heil Ion 23H5H3V is manufactured in Mexico by International Comfort Products, part of Carrier Global Corporation. Installed pricing for the GE NS21H typically runs around $8,000 to $9,500 for a full system replacement. The Heil Ion 23H5H3V is a premium communicating heat pump, generally priced between $9,000 and $14,000, depending on tonnage and labor. Warranty coverage shows a clear distinction between the two brands. The GE NS21H provides a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty, but no unit replacement warranty. The Heil H5H3V matches the 10-year parts and compressor warranties and adds a 10-year no-hassle unit replacement warranty. That no-hassle replacement means Heil will replace the entire outdoor unit if the compressor fails within the first 10 years. When weighing both systems, my winner is the Heil Ion 23H5H3V. While both systems share identical 10.5 HSPF efficiency and variable speed inverter technology, Heil gives a verified 55 decibel rating and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. That combination provides superior long-term protection for your investment.